Damn it, Bunko, I will leave your ass here.
Nobody is leaving anybody.
We're gonna steamroll the army and then they'll be back. This is our only chance to get out.
Not going into the subway. You've heard the stories.
We will starve here. The subway is our only chance. We take it to Inwood, get to the evac center, and get the fuck out of New York. Or we die here.
I don't like him, but he's right.
Psst. Keep it down. Get ready for the boom!
Ah! Stay together! Creeper's close! Damn, you hear me?
Hey, what's up? I don't see you guys on the roof.
We're going for it. Trying the subway to Inwood. Over.
Yeah, really? I don't... maybe the grunts will wipe him out on the Bronx. Guys?
Don't stop until you get to the elevator. Reloading.
Hey, I'm reloading!
Yeah, Who's next? Shit! I see a creeper!
Ah! Friendly fire!
Reloading.
Hold the elevator. We gotta get out.
Okay. Elevator cold. We got a bull!
Last stop, shitbirds!
Woo! Shit! Bull's down!
Vamos, campeones.
Dan, you there?
Always.
We're headed down. Out of food. Gotta go now. You coming? Over.
Look, I got food and booze for a month. Jarheads will be here by then. I'm gonna wait it out, but I'll keep an eye out for you.
That's... shit. That's a lot of Zeke. But we got no choice.
Holy Christ. You seeing this? Goddamn Thanksgiving Day parade.
Army's gonna run out of bullets.
floor.
It's me!
You guys okay? I'm hearing a lot of action from your way.
Working on it.
Oh, yeah! Racking them up!
Anybody else? Loading ammo! Gas bag gone.
Get ready for the boom!
Take out that screamer!
They stop! For now.
I'm reloading.
I think we got them all. I got you. Gonna be good as new.
Saved my ass.
Woo! Creeper taken out. Clear. Subway should be just across the street. This'll do. This'll do. I found some defenses. Robotic death!
Guys, see the swarm coming straight for you.
Oh, shit. Where?
Right down Broadway.
Oh, that's what I'm talking about. This'll help keep them back. We got an auto turret. This'll buy us some time. Robotic death machine, baby! They're here!
Reloading! Oh, they're coming over the gate!
Yeah, Who's next? next? Infector! She's gonna spin! Fresh ammo coming up.
Dan, are we clear to the subway?
It ain't gonna get better. Watch yourselves down there. Guy's a notorious wackadoo.
Thanks. Take care of yourself, Dan. It's better times. Over.
Loading ammo.
Better times. Over and out.
Somebody push the button.
We got a creep!
Move!
No turning back now. Do not stop! Get to the subway! Move it!
It's coming from the platforms.
Close by. We need that train.
Hey! Get out of it!
Oh, yeah! Racking them up! Shit! Help! Thanks.
Who the hell just shot at my train? Get in here!
It's him.
Him? Oh, my reputation precedes me.
Sneaky's close.
Listen, man. We need to drive this thing to Inwood right now.
Evac, eh? It'll cost you. This rabbit hole is chock-a-block with goodies. Bring them to me.
Shh. Keep the noise down. Everybody, check this out. This'll do. Shit! I see a creeper! I got eyes on an infector!
Thanks. He had me.
Hey, look at this.
We got a creeper close by.
We got a creep!
Americans, man! Lost
Every sea! What now? Bigger guns!
Picked up another box. Should be enough. What you asked for?
Much obliged.
Picked up another box. Should be enough. Gas bag coming! Bomber coming! Huh! Got the bomber!
What happens, right, when the armored grunts turn armored Zeke?
I'm reloading.
Piece of shit, Skip! Thanks. All right, let's do this. Okay, we good?
To work today is to eat tomorrow. Bring more.
I swear to God.
Stay together! Creeper's close!
Picked up another box. Should be enough.
They've got me surrounded!
I'm reloading.
I see a ball! Let go of me! Somebody! Help! I'm down.
What you asked for?
Gracias.
I can't get up!
Shit! I see a creeper!
Out of nowhere!
Keeping you in the fight. Thank you. Can I get a med kit?
Screamers calling in more! Inspector coming in!
Vector's down for good.
Scratch one screamer.
So everybody's going north for the big freeze, huh? Smart. Until the big thaw.
We got a creep! Fresh ammo coming up. Found one of Stevie's goodies. Bringing it back. Okay, we good?
All aboard who's coming aboard!
Everybody, check this out. Bunko!
I see him.
Oh, we're making too much noise. They're gonna come.
We gotta go now!
Do you want to drive?
Shut up! Reloading.
Como que me he desconectado. Joder, tío.
2 MLRS barrages dug in.
This is Dr. Alex Greengold. Can anyone hear me?
2 MLRS barrages dug in on the Sawmill River Parkway. And if they make it...
be good.
I don't trust this psycho.
Roy! Roy, open up! Open the door, you twat! Roy!
What's going on?
Well, it appears my associate on the other side of this door is either passed out drunk or deceased.
We'll check it out.
Stay on the radio. We ain't alone.
This'll work.
I'm reloading. Stevie, we hit a gate.
Ah, yeah. Now, we rigged those up so the Zeke couldn't stumble in. There's multiple switches to open them. Some of them are on timers. Have fun.
Cabron.
Check around for the switch.
That's not your day, creeper.
Find the next switch.
Watch the fumes.
That's all of them.
Infector's gonna hop one! You won't get up now.
Friggin' gate again. We gotta find the switch.
We got a creep!
Loading ammo.
We got a bomber! Look for the switch. I'm reloading.
It's me. Stop.
There's more where that came from.
Oh! Stop shooting!
Find a switch.
Find the next switch.
Get that gone.
¿Verdad?
Watch for the cloud.
Vale. Hay que... ir arriba.
Come on, we gotta hurry here.
Joder.
Find the next switch.
We gotta be faster.
This is Dr. Alex Greengold. Can anyone hear me? I am in a house on Hillel Street.
Test 24D.
This is Dr. Alex Greengold. Can anyone hear me? I am in a house on Hillel Street near Maccabi Square. I am...
Hola, hola. Spanish, Dani. Denis, gol de Spanish. Sorry. Español, español.
Get to the bunker. The bunker is up the hill on the left.
Heads up for a lurker.
Who's got the security card?
Stucco! Creeping! I see a hazmat! Hazmat down! Brace for a bull rush!
No.
Get off of me!
Come on.
Kill this goddamn thing!
Alguien me ayuda, ¿qué?
Six! Got me!
Did we lose the key card?
I need
Campeón.
help!
Put down that bull.
Thanks. Swapping out!
Old school, but it'll get us in
I
time.
needed that.
Did we lose the key card? I hear a lurker. Here's your card. I'll get it open.
Reloading!
Fuck no! I tripped the alarm!
Shut it down!
I could try to override, but
Shut up and do it.
it'll open every door in the bunker!
We can't stay here! Swapping out! Who wants some? Knocking them down!
Talk to me, Green Gold.
I'm going as fast as I can!
Everybody in! Now!
Reloading!
Watch your gas bag! Watch your fire! Knocking them down! Closing the doors!
Stay back!
Whoa, whoa, whoa! Friendly fire! Next one's on me. We got them all. Look here.
Looks good to me.
It's a boat!
The other door! It stopped! Try it again! We've lost power! Wait, there's a backup generator! Where? Down this tunnel! Machine room! On the right!
We'll try to hold them back. Doc, find a safe place in the tunnel and stay on the radio.
I'm reloading! We're screwed if we don't start that generator! Zeke incoming! Screamer's bringing in more! Stay close! Lurker nearby!
Silence that son of a bitch!
Frag out! Hey, what's up? Doors are closing! Knocking them down! They're coming over a fence in the tunnel. We need an exit.
I'm at the junction. I can reach a vent to power down the fan. You could get out. Do it!
Don't move, Doc.
We can't risk it.
Oh, what's up?
The fan's off! Go through!
Everybody in. Now, form up before we move on.
Ojalá. No. No basta de zombie.
Come on, get through the fan!
Get the fan going! Flip the switch! Wish I had my camera for this shit. I need it. I think we got them all. I see a bull!
I'm down below in the command center.
Come on, bitches!
We've got to move quickly.
How's it look, Doc?
We're at full power. Network is solid. Yeah, it's going to work.
All right, make it fast. We'll watch the doors.
I can't do it alone.
What do we have to do?
We've got to power up the array. Trigger up the startup of the console
Downstairs.
Look here! Reloading! All right, done.
Gas back down.
Spotted a lurker!
I need to align the dish. Activate the console to spin up the motors.
Gas back running.
Then stop!
I can't do this unless you get to that console!
Done! I've got to get to the next station!
Cover the dark!
Lock and load!
I swear I smell a lurker!
Tengo cuidado. Desconexión. ¿Eh?
This is Dr. Alex Greengold. Can anyone hear me? I am in a house on Hillel Street.
Test 24D.
We are not equipped to protect our citizens against an outbreak of this magnitude.
Ils sont en train de passer une dernière défense.
We are not equipped to protect our citizens against an outbreak of this magnitude.
Ils sont en train de passer une dernière défense. Ils sont en train de passer une dernière défense.